ain't about fists or talking loud. Ain't about standing out in a crowd. It's waking up when you'd rather lay down, showing up when no one's around. It's working late so your kids don't lack, and taking hits without swinging back. It's biting your tongue when you want to scream, and bleeding quiet so they can dream. It's more than a pride and pickup truck. It's learning how to give a fuck. That's what it takes to be a man.